Hello class. Today I will be showing you guys how to play the triangles and angle splat game. So for this game, it is going to be going over the triangles that we've been learning about, and it's just a matching game to see if you can connect the shapes that we've been talking about to what they would actually look like. So a perfect example of this is we could go this with rotation over here, this box, and we'd click on that. And it'd give us some things over here, like a relaxed mode where we just have to do 10 questions untimed and we try to get 100%, or a timed one where you have to do it as quickly as possible to increase your score. So over here, we'll do the relaxed mode first and slow, just to show you guys. And on this first one, you can see below my cursor it says right. So we're looking for right triangles. So there's one, and then it changes to obtuse. So here's an obtuse triangle over here. We can click on that, and you can see we get points as we do it. So let's just keep going. Now let's switch over to acute. There is one right there, and another one underneath there. Now it's at right again. Switching back and forth. This should help you guys to learn how to to correctly identify triangles, as also having a little bit of fun while you do it. It's not super hard, but as you see, there's 100% correct right there. If you happen to miss one, we'll go back and we'll do that again. And say we miss one, we click on, say, a right triangle instead of an obtuse. It will give us -1 on the score, and we'll have a miss. So then we'll have to make up for that by getting one correct. So our goal is to get as many correct in a row as possible. But say we accidentally miss one again, drops us right back down to 0. So this game isn't too hard, but there are different modes with it. So if we were to restart by just refreshing the screen and go to, maybe we're trying to only find right triangles and we want to go fast this time. This will put in acute again, go there, obtuse right here, obtuse, acute, obtuse down here, right triangle again, and acute, and then let's just finish this up quickly to get on to it right there. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different games to try to play. This one just goes over all three of them. This one goes over these shapes down here, which are a little bit harder to identify, but you guys should be able to get it since we've gone over it. So yeah, that's the game we'll be playing.